How to have different footers on each page on your MS Word on your PC. So let's start this video without any further delay. Firstly, this is my MS Word here, that is my MS Word software. On my home screen, I have a page to edit, but I will click on the upper right corner of the screen and search for the thing I have to put it here. Let me just do that. For this thing, you have to follow the same steps I'm showing you right now on the screen. Then only you will be able to do this. Click on Insert tab here and then click on a footer. And here you can set the footer settings such as the title, the medium length, color, and etc. After that, you can simply add a footer including your name or any other your company's name or the color that is blue right now. So this is how you can do this thing on your PC or laptop. You can edit this footer from the same setting you have updated it here on the page. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and videos like this.